podcast and all my friends. So I am come here to sharing information about constitution. So firstly, we have to know what is constitution. So the definition of the constitution is that the constitution is the legal document. It is the fundamental documents of the any country, and it is the basic law of the any country of any state. According to this constitution, the governance of any country or any state is conducted. Okay, so what is the Indian constitution? So we have three types of Indian constitution. First, making of the constitution, salient features of the constitution, and how can we amend the constitution. So first, we will going to know making of the constitution. So the concept of the constitution is first time put forward by M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy in 1938. Again, Indian National Congress officially demanded that we want to constituent assembly for making constitution of India. Okay, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that the constitution of free India must be framed by constituent assembly on the basis of adult franchise. Okay, so again our Indian constituent assembly framed, and constituent assembly divided a lot of parts. In these parts has 8 major committees and some other minor committees. So the drafting committee was the subordinate committee of the Constituent Assembly under the leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay, he is the chief architect of the Indian Constitution and also the father of the Indian Constitution. Okay, now we are going to know about what is the salient features of the Indian Constitution. So first, India has single citizenship. So India has single citizenship. India has no dual citizenships like Switzerland and a lot of other countries. Okay. So the locations of citizenships is the part 2nd of the Indian Constitution, Article 5 to Article 11. Article 5 to Article 11 deal with the citizenships. The person who wants to Indian citizen, there are four ways to take Indian citizenship. First, by descent, by birth, naturalization, and by registration. And there are 3 types to left Indian citizenships. Okay, deprivation, diminutions, and determination. Okay, so second silent features of the constitution is the fundamental rights. The location of the fundamental rights are the part 3rd of Indian Constitution, Article 12 to 35. Fundamental rights are the negative behavior. Originally, we had 395 articles, 22 parts in 8th schedule. Okay, but currently we have 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules. And the third feature is the fundamental rights. We have fundamental duties.
Last minute. Last minute.
Okay, so we have a lot of features: single citizenship, fundamental duties, fundamental rights, integrated and independent judiciary, and parliamentary form of the government, union with a strong center, emergency provisions, and long list constitution and written constitution, and written constitution and emergency provisions, and one preamble.